Hello, come with me to have my hearing checked. We let the lady at the desk know we are here. We sit in the waiting room. There are toys for younger children here too. Time to go. Mum chats all about me and my hearing. Next, it's time for me to play some listening games in this big quiet room. I listen out for the sound and press the button when I hear it. This bit is fun. I get to wear some special headphones. Looking good. Next, it's my friend's turn, but he isn't old enough to press a button yet. So he plays games, building a tower every time he hears the sound. My other friend is too young to even build towers, so he just turns his head when he hears the sound, and a fun toy appears, like the Peppa Pig or Baby JJ. Now it's time to tickle my ears with a special torch. Last, we draw a picture with my ears using this machine. Yay, we're all done. Home time!